Hey, Susanna Anderson here from the Are They All Yours blog at StephenAndersonFamily.com. I'm super excited to announce that my new homeschool book, Read Yourself in Education, is now available on Amazon. Volume 1 takes students around the world, country by country, on an exciting literary and educational journey using books that are widely available at your local library. The book is broken into 6 major geographic areas, with chapters dedicated to individual countries and areas. This book is the first in a 4-volume series, and it covers a total of 2 academic years. You can preview one of those semesters for free on my website, readyourselfineducation.com. Aside from a library card, this book is all you need for a successful homeschool experience. So if you're ready for learning unlike anything you may have experienced before, please find your copy on Amazon today.